Today we will learn how to make ghost effect in Premiere Pro. Effect number 1 of Ghost Effect. First of all, place the video in the timeline and select any frame of the video. I want to make effect of this frame, so now click on the camera icon of the export frame. Now rename the file. Keep the format PNG. Set the location and select Import into Project and click OK. Now place the export frame in the timeline right after the navigator. Now right-click and click on Edit in Adobe Photoshop option. Now Photoshop will open. Click on Remove Background option given on the right side. Now after removing the background, press Ctrl+S and save it. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Transform Effect and Gaussian Blur Effect and drag and drop. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and Transform Effect. Turn on the toggle animation of the position. Press Shift plus right arrow to forward 5 frames and move the position value to the left until it completely disappears from the frame. Then keep the shutter angle value at 60. Keep the opacity value 90. Keep the blurriness of the Gaussian blur at 20. And keep the time duration of the graphic for 30 frames. Now duplicate the graphic and place it on upper layer. Go to the Effect Controls panel and place the navigator on the second keyframe of the position, and this time change the position value until it disappears to the right side. The Effect 1 is ready. Let's start Effect 2. Again, choose any frame of the video. Click on the camera icon of the export frame and rename it. Keep the format PNG. Choose the location and select Import into Project and click OK. Now place the export frame in the timeline just before the navigator. The last frame of the graphic should be where the navigator is. Now keep the time duration of the graphic 30 frames from the last. Now right-click on the graphic and click on the Edit in Adobe Photoshop option. Then click on the Remove Background option. Then press Ctrl+S and save. Now in Premiere Pro, drag and drop the Gaussian blur and transform effects in the Effects panel. In the Effect Controls panel, turn on the toggle animation of position and place it on the last frame. Now place the navigator on the last keyframe and press Shift plus left arrow to go back 5 frames. Then bring the position value to the left side until it disappears. Keep the shutter angle value at 60. Keep the blurriness of Gaussian blur at 20. And then change the blend from normal to color dodge. Second effect is ready. Now let's move on to Effect 3. Break a specific part of the video by pressing Ctrl+K. Now place that specific part on the upper layer by Alt+ dragging it. Keeping the upper layer selected, right-click and go to Speed Duration. Keep the speed at 90. Make the last part equal to the lower part. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and make the opacity of the video 80%. That's it for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, GraphiX Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.